Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Do your sanity and your phone's lifespan a favor, and check this out. Today, let's dive into the world of smartphone battery optimization. I'm your guide to ensuring that your device stays charged and ready for whatever life throws at you. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about settings adjustments. Head over to your phone's settings and adjust the screen brightness to automatic. This ensures that your screen isn't draining unnecessary power when it's too bright. Also, consider tweaking your screen timeout settings for a more efficient power management. Now, let's tackle those sneaky background apps. Go into your app settings and manually close apps that you're not using. Some apps love to run in the background, hogging precious battery life. Keep them in check to maximize efficiency. Charging practices. A crucial aspect. Charge your phone when it's between 20% and 80% for the best battery longevity. And here's a pro tip. Avoid letting your phone drain completely before charging. It's like giving your device a little energy snack instead of a feast. And there you have it, folks. Quick and easy tips to optimize your smartphone battery. Settings adjustments, background app management, and optimal charging practices. The trifecta for a longer-lasting battery life. Do you have any battery-saving tips? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Until next time, keep those batteries charged and your devices running smoothly.